Hello family, we are back again. Today we make baked pork with mayonnaise. We have our clean pork here. We chop it already. You can see the portion. We have baked pepper. We have belly, green pepper, onion, vinegar. We have lemon if you don't use the vinegar. We have black pepper, ginger, white pepper. We have our celery, and we have mayonnaise. This cut here, I cut already the leeks or spring onion. We're gonna eat it with cassava pie. I put it on the tray. You can see. You can put your stock. I use the chicken stock. I didn't add salt, no salt at all. I mix it together. You can see on the tray. It's clean. And you can see it's dry. It doesn't have water. Yes. We put and then we mix it together nicely. Nicely. For the spice to go everywhere for a cube. And then I will put it just like that in the oven. Put your pork in the oven, you close, and here you can see our pork is done. You can see it's very well baked. You can see it here. Now I will put my baking paper and I will put the pork on top. I'm putting it in the paper, as you can see. This is our pork. We took it out of the oven. We put on the baking paper. You can see the color is well done. And then we go, you can see we have our green pepper, celery. I cut the brinjal. We have onion. I will start with the brinjal. You take your brinjal that you have already cut. You put it on top of the pork. You put, and then you take the green pepper. You add on top. Green pepper. You adding on top. Yes. And then after putting that, we take now the celery. We put the celery. Put the celery on top of the pork, together with our brinjal and green pepper. Put. This is the leeks, or you can use spring onion. It's the same. You put on top of the pork all together, and then you're gonna take your vinegar. If you want to use lemon juice, you can also use lemon juice. You pour on top of the pork and the green pepper, all those ingredients you put. We have chili. If you like chili, but you can put. If you don't like, you can just put small, just for the aroma, for that small taste, you know. You put on top. You add it on top of the pork. open the mayonnaise, we put on top of the pork, as you can see. Put on top. Mix. We still adding the mayonnaise on top of the pork. Yes. And then we're gonna mix it together. You know, mix everything together. Mix together. The mayonnaise must put a lot of mayonnaise. The mayonnaise must be in big quantity because the pork must be well mixed with the mayonnaise, the spring onion, green pepper, chili, celery, and then after mixing, now the last thing to put, we put the onion. Don't forget to put your white pepper or black pepper. You saw it in the beginning when I was showing the ingredients. I did put it already. And then the last one, I put the onion. I'm mixing before I put again in the oven. I will close now the pepper. We close everything. Here you can add some stock because I didn't put salt for the onion to be tasty. If you like salt, you can put, but anyway, you know the stock is always salty, so don't add salt. The chili are there in also. I will close our pepper. I will close the pork, everything inside. I will close nicely, as you can see, well close. And I will take it. I will put it now in the oven. Put it in the oven. You can see the sides are on. I close. We leave it inside for 30 or 35. Not more. 30 to 35. Because you can remember the pork already cooked. We're just putting for the spices, the onion, the green pepper, you know, to mix together. They have to be mixed together. Here you can see everything is ready. I took it from the oven, and you can see so nice. So nice. Wow. You can start enjoying already the food. Yes. As you can see, our onion is there, the pork is there. Yes. The other side you have our kwanga, or we call it cassava bread.